It's a long road ahead. People are staring, and they can't believe what's on the back of this truck.
Here we are, the best restoration lab in the country. If anyone can fix this, it's these guys. We're finding an entire ecosystem in here. Get the industrial vacuum and the scrapers. We need to see the floorboards. All right, let's see what's left of the paint. Power on. Look at that, the yellow is still there.
The wheels are pitted, but they might be salvageable. We need to be careful not to damage the calipers.
Every detail matters. This emblem hasn't seen the light of day in a decade. Let's make it shine.
The moment of truth. Let's see if the heart of this beast is still beating. Oh man, look at that oxidation. Every single wire is toast. Salt water and electricity don't mix. We'll have to rewire this entire machine from scratch. Weight is off the mounts. Lifting, steady, steady. And there it is. The V10 is out of the cage.
We're using a high-acid cleaner to eat through the salt deposits. It's tough, but the metal underneath is still solid. This interior is a total loss. The smell of the ocean is everywhere. Strip it down to the bare carbon fiber.
Sandblasting is the only way to be sure. We have to get rid of every single speck of rust before we can even think about paint.
Now we're talking. That's the shine we're looking for. This engine is going to look better than it did when it left the factory.
Replacing the old junk with premium, salt-resistant wiring. This is where the magic happens.
Compression looks good. Everything is moving like butter. The heartbeat is coming back.
Coming down, easy, and lock. The heart is back in the beast. Let's see if she roars.
Preparation is key. One tiny mistake here and the whole paint job is ruined. She's ready for her new skin.
Here we go. Bringing back that iconic Lamborghini Giallo. Look at that glow, absolutely stunning. And now, the clear coat. This is what gives it that showroom shine and protects it from the elements. Out with the mold, in with the gold. These custom Italian leather seats are a massive upgrade. Connecting the command center, everything is digital, everything is brand new. The cockpit is ready.
Wheels secured. New high-performance brakes installed. She's finally standing on her own feet again.
Fresh blood for the beast. 10 liters of premium oil and a full tank of high-octane fuel. It's time.
This is the moment we've worked months for. After years under the ocean, will she actually start? Yes, she's alive. Listen to that V10 scream. That is the sound of a miracle. We did it, boys. From the bottom of the sea to a masterpiece. Mission accomplished.
Look at her. From the darkness of the ocean to the bright light of day. She's finally back where she belongs.
That V10 isn't just running, it's breathing fire. Pure Italian power, restored to perfection.
The performance is flawless. You'd never know this car spent years underwater. Every gear, every horsepower, it's all there.
And look at her now. A $300,000 masterpiece, reborn from steel and spirit.
This is why we do it. To save the unsavable. This feeling, it's priceless.
She's not just a car anymore. She's a story of survival. A legend that refused to die.
Another impossible project finished. On to the next one. Thanks for watching the journey.
Don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable restorations. See you in the next mission.
7,000 cash. Take it or leave it. Dirty, but she's all here. Original parts.
Is this the beast you told me about? She looks like a pile of junk.
She's got a soul of iron, kid.
She's yours now. Don't let the ghosts follow you.
Ghosts don't like me much.
Time to see what's under this skin. Goodbye, rust. Hello, glory. Layers of history coming right off. You'll be rolling like new soon. Solid steel. Aluminum. They don't make them like this anymore.
The foundation is everything. Long way to go, but she's worth it. Every piece of this horse, water and tower irritable, don't roll behind. Every piece has its place. Time for her battle colors.
Every inch counts. This ain't no quick job. Heart's going back home! Ooh. That's how you put some muscle into it. Eyes on the road, always.
A true classic needs its markings. Finally, a comfortable ride.
Let there be light. Let there be light. Hear that, old girl? We're back.
Please subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and like this video.
In this video, like, subscribe my channel and YouTube USA channel.